The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is set to revolutionize the smartwatch industry with its bold innovations and refined design. As Apple's first major upgrade in 2 years, this next-gen wearable blends cutting-edge performance, advanced health features, and rugged durability, all without raising the price tag. Whether you're a fitness fanatic, tech enthusiast, or wellness-focused user, the Ultra 3 is engineered to be your ultimate companion. Release date and pricing: Apple is expected to unveil the Ultra 3 at its annual September event, likely on Tuesday, September 9th, 2025. Pre-orders should begin on September 12th, with shipping starting September 19th. Price: still $799, same as the Ultra 2. No price hike despite major upgrades. This pricing strategy makes the Ultra 3 a smart upgrade for existing users and an enticing entry point for newcomers to the Apple Watch ecosystem. Design enhancements: the Ultra 3 is rumored to feature a stunning edge-to-edge display with ultra-thin bezels, delivering a more immersive viewing experience. The wide-angle OLED panel ensures crystal-clear visibility, even under harsh sunlight or low-light conditions. Rugged titanium casing for durability, lightweight build for all-day comfort, ideal for outdoor adventurers and fitness lovers. These upgrades make the Ultra 3 both stylish and functional, built to withstand the elements while looking sleek on your wrist. Performance and battery: life powered by the all-new S11 chip, the Ultra 3 promises lightning-fast performance and improved energy efficiency, seamless multitasking, and real-time fitness tracking. Extended battery life for multi-day use. Whether you're hitting the gym, hiking trails, or traveling off-grid, the Ultra 3 is designed to keep up without constant recharging. 5G and satellite SOS connectivity: the inclusion of 5G connectivity marks a major leap forward in smartwatch capabilities. Faster data speeds and smoother app performance (SOS). Satellite SOS for emergency communication in remote areas. This future-proof tech ensures you're always connected, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the wilderness. Advanced health monitoring: health tracking remains a core focus, with the Ultra 3 introducing a blood pressure sensor for real-time insights. Heart rate, ECG, and blood oxygen monitoring manage chronic conditions and track fitness goals. Apple continues to lead in health innovation, turning the Ultra 3 into a powerful tool for proactive wellness management. Why the Ultra 3 stands out: here's what makes the Apple Watch Ultra 3 a must-have in 2025. Feature: benefit edge-to-edge display, immersive visuals, S11 chip, faster performance, and longer battery life. Blood pressure sensor, deeper health insights, 5G and satellite SOS, reliable connectivity anywhere. From athletes to professionals, the Ultra 3 caters to a wide range of lifestyles with precision and power. The future of smartwatches: with its launch just around the corner, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is poised to set a new benchmark in wearable technology. It's not just a smartwatch, it's a statement of innovation, reliability, and user-focused design. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or diving into wearable tech for the first time, the Ultra 3 offers unmatched value at a familiar price. Expect it to dominate headlines and wrists alike in 2025.